Good evening, everybody. This is for Dina Baker's biology class, Biology 105, and this is for our DNA extraction lab. The title is Extracting DNA Using Common Household Items to Make the DNA Strands Visible. On our table, we have all of our materials that we need. We have alcohol, water, table salt, clear Dawn dishwashing detergent, and I've already mixed our alcohol with our food coloring so that we can see it. The first thing that we're going to do is we have our cup of water, and we're going to mix a tablespoon of salt in the water, and we're going to stir it until it's dissolved. I'm a little messy, but that'll be okay. We're going to stir it up real good until it's dissolved. Now once it's dissolved, we're going to put 3 tablespoons of it in our second cup. And we're going to let my lovely assistant, my husband, he's going to gargle it. And then we're going to continue on after that. And it looks like our salt water is almost completely dissolved. So we're just going to take about 3 tablespoons of this. Maybe a little extra. And we're going to gargle it. And as soon as it's gargled, we're going to place it back in our other saltwater solution cup. Okay, thank you very much. And we're going to wait until the foam settles. Once the foam settles, then we'll place it back into the other cup. So it should just take just a second because the foam is already settling. Okay, seems pretty settled, and here we go. Place it back in there. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our stirring stick and our dishwashing detergent, and our instructions say just to dip the stir stick into the detergent and gently stir it into the salt water. So we're going to gently stir it in our salt water. And the next thing we're going to do, since we've already added our color into our food color into our alcohol, what we're going to do, I think we've got this stirred pretty good. Get that out. And it says, while holding the cup of salt water at a slight angle, which is about a 20-degree angle, we're going to slowly start adding the rubbing alcohol to the salt water using our syringe. And we're going to add enough alcohol to form a 2-centimeter layer on top of the water. And this may take a couple of droppers full. Yes, please. Or you want to hold the cup for me?
Yeah.
Got it? And it looks like there's already some reaction going on in the cup. And we're doing this pretty much to the instructions because it says to slowly do it, so it does take a few minutes. And then what we're going to do once we get all this done, maybe we'll try using the spoon to make it a little bit faster. That seems to be working pretty good. I'm not really breaking the surface tension of it. I think we've got about a centimeter on the top right now. What do you think?
Keep going. Yeah, almost an inch. It's probably good.
Okay. I think that should be good. And it says carefully place the cup back down onto a level surface and watch the DNA strands form. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to come in a little bit closer and see if we can watch our DNA strands form.
Are they going to be on the surface?
Should be. And look in there, you can actually see the DNA strands. Pull it a little bit closer, Cole. Yeah. And they are forming.
Do I need to be at a lower angle?
That is the coolest thing ever.
Whoa. Awesome, Mama. Ooh, how do you do that?
And so now we see several DNA strands have formed. I hope you can see them there at home. And this is going to conclude our experiment. Thank you.
That's all?